It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Emotional damage. Dalawang beses na yan!
Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Thailand. Pagod. Kasi bumili akong wifi. Pero binuko hanggang sa 14. Pero sabi ng operator dun, bawal daw. So nabook ulit ako ng wifi. Ngayon, kanina pa pala naghihintay yung van namin. So, ayun, syempre dito ko. May mga bag pa ako. Let's go Thailand! Thailand! Tara na, labas na kami. Friend, itong tayo. Marunong ka pala niyan. Hindi ka man lang nagsabi. I got this book. Hey tayo, friend. Makeup. Nung nakita nyo kan nasa lobby na kami. So yung Thai friend ko, tayo siya kanina. Ang galing! Sabi niya, sung. Sung. So guys, time check. It's 11. Oh, it's 12:51 p.m. Nag-iikot kami ngayon para kakain na kami. Then babalik kami para makatulog na kami. So sabi ni Rob, magsi 7-Eleven daw kami. May local foods dito na pwedeng pagkainan. Pero mag-iikot pa kami. Kasi meron pa sa kabilang side. So, let's go! So first kain sa Thailand. So guys, hindi muna kami kakain ng madami kasi matutulog na rin, pas late na. So eto lang muna, nag-order kami ng pad thai, tom yum, tsaka fried rice with chicken. Dito pag Namit na the best niya. Diba? Namit na. The best. Tapos kakain kami ng breakfast. Anong oras na din? Tapos maliit kami ng gising. Kaya eto, kain muna tayo. Ano yung in-order nyo?
I got egg and...
Pad krapaw with egg and rice. Yung akin, egg, tsaka di ko alam kung ano to. Kaya kain muna kami bago kami mag-picture sa Watco. Yung init kaya guys, pero yung lakad hindi. Yun yung pinagpapawisan ako. Welcome Watco. Tapos na namin sa Watco at sumakay kami sa tuk-tuk. Magbibihis kami ng school uniform kasi may pictorial pa kami. Tapos yung mukha na Haggard. na jaywalkers. Jaywalkers. $27. Okay lang. $3,400. Grabe. 30 lang dapat eh. Pero ito na. So guys, bali magsusot kami ng school uniform for the day. Tapos kakain kami ng pad thai. Tsaka ano nga yung isa ro?
Mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice. So para buong araw kami magaganito. It's for the experience. So guys, bibis mo na kami. Yung waist na is 34 dyan. Ayaw patanggap doon. Beauty. Guys, nag-uniform na kami. Ang cute naman ito. Ala, ang cute naman. Aki check, i-check. So guys, yung nagpa-embroider kami. Yung nakasulat dito is Zachary and then my birthday. Same din kay Robbie. And then yung Nicole and then birthday niya. So, ngayon pupunta kami sa
Tipsamay.
Tipsamay. Kakain kami ng
Pad Thai.
tsaka
Mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice. Sorry po.
And signature drinks, our signature drinks, orange juice, the real shark orange sauce, appetizer as well.
Kap ko ng kap. Okay guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa may Tipsamay. Nag-order lang kami ng shrimp pad thai. Ang super sarap. Like, natatakot ako kasi nga nakaputi kami. Ano ako ngayon eh, hindi marunong kumain supremacy. This juice, crazy. It's so good. I think I might buy one after this. Kasi ang sarap talaga. But I'm gonna talk later because I'm gonna eat. Because you're not here with me. So, just look at her eating. That's how good it is. So, guys, nandito kami ngayon sa may Cape Anich. Kakain kami ng mango sticky rice. Our first mango sticky rice here in Bangkok. And let's see kung iba nga ba yung mango nila kahit sa Pinas. Let's smother this up. Mas namit ang pao. Sa Pilipinas ang pao. Di kami sa kaya.
สวัสดีครับทุกคนวันนี้ผมอยู่ที่วัดอรุณครับจริงๆแล้วกรุงเทพร้อนมาก
Hi guys, so kakatapos lang namin magbihis ulit kasi pupunta kami sa friend ni Robbie na si Mimi. Tapos nanggaling na kami sa Wataru, nag-photoshoot kami doon. Sumuot kami ng traditional Thai na damit. How was it? How's the experience? You like it?
Yes, I really like it. You know, it's hot, but
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
Ganon. Okay guys, nandun na kami ngayon sa may shop ni Mimi. Nag-golf na yung pinsan ko. Magta-try daw siya ng galing ah. Pero di rin ako marunong mag-golf, kaya please, wag niyo akong anuhin pag nag-golf ako. Like, wag niyo akong awayin, please guys. But yeah, enjoy muna kami dito. takeover ตอนนี้พวกเราอยู่ที่บันตาทองครับ so we're gonna eat หมูกระทะใช่หมูกระทะครับ We're currently at Chewan. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yun ang sabi ni Daddy. And then we're gonna get dessert. Food trip kami dito. Busog ka na. Pero hindi kakain pa kami. We were gonna enjoy the food right here. So thank you to our tour guide. They're bringing us to their spot kung saan masarap. Doon tayo. So yun yung dessert namin. Dito na. So let's dig in.
ครับทุกคนvlog take over so ตอนนี้พวกเราอยู่ที่เขาเคียวโอเพนซูนะครับพวกเราเห็นหมูเด้ง
Mudeng nga rin, nalakatnat na. Ay, hindi mo naging si Mudeng. Ay, hindi mo naging si Mudeng. Master Ugwe. Peacock. Guys, sakayo namin si Mudeng. Ang laki na niya. Parang kagaya ko. Ang laki ko. So, kakain muna kami dito kasi di pa kami nag-breakfast. So, ngayon, buti na lang may daanan kami dito pwedeng makainan. So, GG tayo dito. Buti na lang may picture. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, dapat may picture man ninyo eh. Guys, so dito kami sa Sanctuary of Truth. Kakatapos namin mag-tour. So, mag-picture-picture na lang kami. After ito sa dialogue. So, we're gonna eat. Pero mag-breakfast din kami. Kanina kumain kami, tapos hindi marunong mag-English yung nagbibenta. So, turo-turo muna kami ng mga menu nila sa pictures doon. Pero nag-enjoy naman kami. Sarap ng food. Dito kami ngayon sa may Chinatown, pero kanina nasa Pattaya kami. Pumunta kami kay Mudeng. At the same time, pumunta kami sa may The Sky Galley. Gallery, the Sky Place Gallery, the Sky Place Gallery. The Sky Gallery. Doon kami nag-lunch. After nang pumunta kami sa may... The House of Benedict. Yeah, makakalimutin ako So right now, kakain na naman kami. Robian, what's that? What are we ordering? Moping. This one? Or this one? This one? Mudeng, mudeng, mudeng. Mudeng, mudeng, mudeng. Good. Aloy. Aloy. It's moving. Okay, crap. Dancing shrimp. Alay na. Not bad.
Final round. Fight!
Ikita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh. Biglang kang sumakses eh.
Kani พวกเราอยู่ที่เยาวราชครับพวกเราจะกิน fried omelette
หอยทอด
ข่อยทอด
หอยทอด
ข่อยทอด
ส้มต
ส้มต
Oh, this is Jasmine.
ำ Okay, chrysanthemum tea and then we're drinking the
ำ
longan juice and chrysanthemum tea
Another flower. Yeah, yeah, but it tastes like Jasmine. It's really
Cup.
flavor.